chase money, to save it, to earn it, to believe that money is freedom. Pero hindi nila sinasabi, fiat money is not value. Fiat money is debt. Every peso, dollar, or euro you've ever touched was borrowed into existence. Hindi siya ginawa dahil may yaman. Ginawa siya dahil may utang. When the government needs money, hindi lang sila basta nagpiprint. They borrow it from central banks and they pay it back with interest. Ang tawag nila, stimulus. Tawag natin, buwis. They say stimulus is for people, but in reality, you're not receiving help. You're inheriting a bill. Your taxes, they're not building the future. They're paying for the past. So, the more money they print, the more that they create. The more that they create, the more you have to work. The more you work, the less your money is worth. And that's what they call inflation. But really, it's the system bleeding value from your effort. Para kahit magdoble yung sweldo mo, hindi pa rin sapat. So paano nila sinusugarcoat sa atin ito? Tinuturuan ka na inflation is normal, nataasan natin ang minimum wage, na stimulus is for the people, pero hindi nila sinasabi, ang sistema mismo ang dahilan kung bakit lagi kang kapos. Dahil kahit anong gawin mo, binuo ang pera para lumikha ng utang, hindi ng yaman. And that's why billionaires play a different game. They don't want to own money. They don't even want to own things. They want control. They borrow money. They own assets. They buy time, systems, and influence, while the rest of the world works overtime to repay borrowed dreams. Because to them, money isn't power. Control is. So you thought money meant freedom. But the moment you accepted it, you entered the trap. Now you know the truth about money. But do you know the truth about your work? Hindi ka nagtatrabaho para yumaman. Nagtatrabaho ka lang para bayaran ng sistemang hindi mo naman